Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy here, Abdul from Tech112. In this video guys of today, I got for you something amazing. This is about Dbrand. If you know the company called Dbrand, they make skins of the smartphone and they make great skins for the laptops. But I came up with a good idea whereby you can save your money from any country you are. You can just get that Dbrand look. Just like from my laptop here, as you can see guys. Yeah, does it look great? That looks perfect, right? What if on my mobile device? Does it look great? Yeah, it looks great, right? Because this is amazing. Not only outside the body of the laptop, but even inside. Now check this out, what is amazing. So I even debranded this. I just did it by my own. I just never go to the store and just do it and I pay them so as they can do it. But I just did it on my own. All I need is I need a scissor, I need a cutter, I need a pen, I need a ruler. All those four things together, you bundle them together, they make a Dbrand skin like this one. But don't forget a sticker. So this kind of sticker is very great because it's a pattern sticker which captured me and I thought that I could share with you guys. So it has a different variety of colors. So at the store which I went, they had only three. They had the black, the purple, and the blue. So I thought that I should just grab the black one. But right now I'm just thinking, why did I left the blue one? Because I could make a good texture of the blue one. You know what? And I think we should just do it because it will be amazing. If I've debranded my skin here layout with that kind of color, I can just put the blue one inside here. I can just put it somewhere here, the blue one. Now this is depending on my laptop, but depending on your computer which you have a laptop, you can just debrand it with three colors depending on your flavor which you want the colors. But mostly you can just get them for three colors. Like you can just grab the purple, you can grab the black one, you can grab the blue one. Even if they have the red one, which is amazing, you can get those kind of mixture with a great kind of flavor. So it didn't take me a lot of hassle making this sticker on the phone. It didn't take me that much, a lot of hassle. What I did is just simple. I just got the sticker ASAP. So if you're living in Arusha, Tanzania, you can grab that sticker around Makao Mapya there. There's a shop near Davos. These guys are amazing. They sell the stickers. So it's something which is very great and I kind of love it because instead of you seeing on the internet what the brands they're doing, but you can just put your style up with that kind of Dbrand, which is kind of great. So this is what Dbrand always do. So yeah, if you're like me, I can't just tell Dbrand to ship for me. I know it will take a couple of months to come here to Arusha, but even the money to be high end. So I thought that this is just simple stuff. And these stickers are costing for 5,000. You get that bigger pillar. I go this way, bigger pillar of the sticker. So it's amazing. So you just grab it, then you just need to do your thing. So that's what's up. So if you have any problem about inserting the sticker, you can leave a comment down below so as I can share with you guys more advanced skills on how you can insert your own sticker. You don't need to be that much professional, but you can just do it with the scissor, with the ruler, with kind of dimension which you have it there. So it will be very amazing. So thank you guys for watching. If you find this video very interesting, don't hesitate to drop a thumbs up. If you find this video not quite interesting, let me know in the comments down below what's your thoughts and opinion. And another kind of stuff, if you didn't subscribe on our YouTube channel because we are on our journey to go for 1,000 subscribers, it would be amazing if you drop a subscription there down so as you can never miss any video which I upload. And another kind of stuff, for all the people who have subscribed, make sure that you have turned on the bell notification. I know this sometimes people are like terrified, have a lot of stuff and they can just never check out your video, but if you turn on the bell notification, it will be amazing. I know that notification sometimes is a hassle, but you get that notification from your homeboy here, which is amazing, and I'll never disappoint you guys. Yeah, now that's what's up. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.